Today's star of the shave is Adopted Acres Campfire Cravings. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat, and today the star of the shave is Adopted Acres Campfire Cravings. I'm also using a Henson medium with a Filoso blade, and I'm using a Burn the Ships. It's a Badger knot brush, and their cool mug. Get away from my treasure. And I always say thank you, my wet shaving family, that beautiful bougie sprayer. And oh man, this Campfire's Cravings from Adopted Acres brings back memories of camping, literally, because it smells like s'mores, like marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers. And FYI, I did taste it, and it's a pretty good aftertaste. The initial taste, is like cologne, but you're not here for me to taste soap. And I don't know, should I be talking about it? I don't know. I'd say whatever's on my mind. No filter alert. Yeah, oh man. I love this Adopted Acres soap base. It's very good. Oh, you see that little thin line of protection? Oh man. Well, let's get. I could do this all day. Let's get to my first pass. Okay. Oh man, I can't stop smelling it. Literally, for me, it brings out memories of camping and the s'mores around the campfire. I imagine that some pirates, after a long voyage, pirating in the sea, they just need a little break. They find a nice little island, make a campfire, and make some s'mores. Like, what else would you do besides counting the treasure you looted and all the ships you raided? Yeah. Oh, man. I'm telling you, people, the power of scent, the power of smell could take you to different dimensions and different areas in your life. Memories and, some good, some bad, some ugly. Oh. This is bringing me back as a kid. I used to love making s'mores. If I wasn't camping making s'mores, I was doing it over a candle making s'mores. Some cereals, they come out. There used to be a cereal that had s'mores in it. I forgot the name of it. But, this is a beautiful shave, a beautiful soap. Doug, at Adopted Acres, this is another hit. I got this from the meetup last Saturday. At the A&E meetup? Yeah. Oh, under my neck, I don't talk. So come on, tell me in the comments, when you smell something you like, especially a soap or a splash, what memories come in your head? Do you get any things from the past? Or like me, I get like a million different thoughts, and like either from my past or my imagination goes wild. Like I'm a pirate swashbuckling in the seven seas, and I just need a little break from the sea, so I go to land and I make me some s'mores. Like this one's bringing me s'mores. Like me camping as a kid, but also like I'm a pirate. Oh man. Oh man, final pass. Like, wow, I'm a really fast shaver. Ooh man. If you get a chance to get this, you gotta get this. Great soap, great lineup. I love setting up my lineup for a shave. How about you people? Let me know what you do. Do you sometimes do it a day in advance, or do it spontaneously? Oh, when you do a lineup set, do you do like an audible? Like I think I'm Peyton Manning or Tom Brady, or a little wet lather. I think like I'm on the line of scrimmage, about to throw the winning touchdown pass with 5 seconds left. Yeah. Do you do that like you, okay, I'm going to change the razor, audible, or no, I need to do the blade, audible. Okay, let me go on my neck. so many good soaps and stuff out there. It's like we're living in the golden age of traditional wet shaving. Hear me sounding like cliche and stuff. Oh man. I love this shave. Come on, people, comment. I want to. It's a shave and chat. It's the Razor Company shave and chat. Let's shave and chat and read the comments. I'm not live now, but let's do this. Wow. What type of emotions you get after a shave or before a shave or setting up the shave? And when you're looking forward to try a new soap out or a new base and now technically it's not a new soap or a base, but I can do a little touch up here. Really, let's do a fourth pass. Yeah, baby. That's like that's like Philadelphia Eagles going for the tush push and 4th and 1. Look at me turning this shave into a sports talk thing. Oh yeah. Oh man. I could do this all day, but remember, skincare is important. Don't abuse it just because it feels good now. You never know how it feels the next day. Let's wrap up. Let me wash up my face and I'll go over my lineup again and yeah, let's talk about the world. Do any soaps or splashes or anything in your life bring up good memories? Because I'm gonna focus on the positive. Because we need more positivity around the world. Ooh. Okay, I did make the 4th down. It was touchdown. Yes. God, this is such a good. Oh man, the smell. If they had the EDP for this or a perfume, or whatever you call it, I'd be so tempted to get it. Oh, I think my thing popped out almost. That caught it. All the sports analogy and shave talk and eating of lather, we're all over the map. And yes, I did close my window. Last time, people were like, okay, yeah, it's just Jason being Jason. Okay. Ooh, the little splashy splash, or whatever, yeah, aftershave. I'm trying to open it. I should have opened it before. Oh, man. This smells more chocolatey. Yeah, I'm being generous. Let's rub it on the face. Beautiful. Oh, man. This is a grand slam. Let me go over my lineup again. So today, the razor I used was a Henson medium with a Filoso blade. Burn the ships, matey. No. Okay. I used their badger brush. It has a badger knot on it. And their cool lathering bowl. I know I usually have Mr. TRC lather bowl, but I'm trying to show my expansion and growth. And my bougie sprayer, trying to mix and match with, get as close to the color scheme as possible. Trying to be more artistic. And the star of the shave is Adopted Acres Campfire Cravings. And boy, this made me want to crave for some s'mores. I want some more s'mores. Yeah. Wow, you made it to the end of this video. Thank you so much. And if you have time at 9 a.m. in the morning this Saturday at 9 a.m. Eastern time, very important time zone. If you have time at 9 a.m. Eastern time to catch 4 great people, talk about wet shaving food, and just joke about life, go to Instagram, The Razor Company Live, or I think it's just The Razor Company. And for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com. Thank you for staying, and I hope you have a great day or wherever you are in the time zone. Bye.